everyone, this is Disha here and today we are going to perform an activity, that is, we will teach our computer to sort the photos of multiple things. For example, if I am going to give the multiple photos of car and cup, my computer will sort it into two piles. Let's see how it is. For example, you can see my computer is dividing multiple photos into two piles. That is, the left column will be of cars and the right column you can see of cups. So I gave multiple images to the computer and it is sorting the images by recognizing the image into multiple sets. So let's do this activity today. So let's get started. Firstly, I'll create a new project on the Scratch platform, naming car or cup. And since I want my computer to recognize the images, I'll click on the images and I'll create my project from here. You can see my project is created. I want to click it. And firstly, I'm going to train my computer. So I'll click on the train button. What I'm going to do here is, I'm going to add some images of car and cup so that my computer can recognize and differentiate the images, the bundle of images afterwards. So for that, I'm going to create two buckets, that is car and cup. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add the images from Google. So, let's search the car images. So from here, we'll drag down some of the car images into my car bucket. For example, you can drag down more and more as many images you can or as many images you want. So for now, I'm just dragging 10 examples of car. You can click on any image you want your computer to recognize. For example, I like this car, so I'm dragging it here. And I like this as well. So, okay, I guess it's enough. So I'll search now for the cup images and I'll perform the same thing. I'll drag down some of the cup images to my bucket and you can at least drag 10 images or more as you want. So I'm dragging multiple images. I guess it may be enough. So as you can see, I have dragged the examples or you can say the images from the Google in my two buckets. Now what I have to do is, I have to make my computer to learn from these examples. So I'll click on back to project and I'll make my computer learn and then we will test the condition. So you can see 10 examples of car, 10 examples of cup and it's training. Till then, what we have to do is, let's revise what we have done this far. So, firstly we have trained our computer, or we can say we have created a machine learning model. We have collected some of the example. Instead of stating the rules how our car looks or how the cup looks, what we have done is we have collected the images from the Google and trained the computer using that patterns so that it can recognize the image if it's a car or if it's a cup. So I guess the training is done.